Hey guys, Dan here with the Lucchesi Property Group, your real estate expert here in Denver. Hey, this month I'm talking about March. So what was the big deal in March? Well, the active unit count did not go up. So we remain near historic lows, or about 3,600 units on the market, give or take. And that's actually a 0.6% decrease from March of 2018. And the under contract unit count, so those units that are going under contract, actually went up 2.2% in March. So what does that mean? We're now in Denver's 7th year of an extreme seller's market. It's official. The days on market, the average is 32 days. However, what's interesting is the median number of days is 10 days on market. So what's the difference? Well, 10 days on market is the most common number of days a home sits on the market before going under contract, and the average is actually higher because it's biased by overpriced listings that sit on the market month after month after month not selling. So that average is skewed. The average list to sold price right now is 99.3%, and the original list price, so taking into account any price reductions to sold, is 98.2%. And both metrics are expected to climb possibly as far as through July. Flash sales, which are those sales that happen in the first weekend of the listing, went up in March by up to 45.5%. So almost half of the homes listed in 2019 so far have been going in the first weekend. And that number is also expected to rise even to maybe as high as 60%. And finally, the homes that are sold for over the list price, so over asking, 54.1. So over half of the homes are actually selling for more than what they're listed for. And again, that's expected to rise as well. Now, for the attached market, condos, townhomes, things of that sort, the pattern is generally the same, but what's really interesting here is the unit count. So the active units actually went up in March to 1,768. And that represents a 32% increase in the units for sale. And so what's interesting about that is if you're a condo buyer, you actually have a little more choice than your counterparts looking for a detached home. So, as always, if you want to ask some questions or have a conversation about the real estate market, or you just need some help selling your home or buying a home, give me a call. I'm happy to help out. Dan with the Lucchesi Property Group.